Hello guys, good morning. Today is Monday. It's the first day of school of my second born son, Michael. And this morning, I sent him here in school. And then, it's his first time, of course. And he cried over his first day of school. That was fun. And now, I'm here again. I'm back here in school to pick him up. So, good luck. I'm gonna tell him why did he cry, and I hope tomorrow he will not cry again. It's like a separation anxiety, but good luck for tomorrow. It's first day, not bad. He got a lot of white hair, that's fine. Okay, so good luck. I'm gonna wait him, like it's almost 11, so I'm just gonna wait him here. I'm gonna get him in there. Okay? Oh my goodness, it's so cold. Goodness, it's so cold. We are waiting.
To wear his backpack. So are they what? No. Sorry, he wouldn't wear his book bag.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's cool, it's cool. How's your school? My God. Open the door. Open. Where is the sticker? Go inside the car. The sticker is in the house. We're gonna get a lot of stickers. Let's go, let's go. Go buckle up. How was your school? How was your school? Michael. Hey, that's your classmates. Are you ready to go? Second day of school for Michael.
What's this?
That's sunglasses.
What's this?
Sunglasses. Why? Hello, Michael. Ready to go inside. We're gonna wait for the go. Let's go. Michael is not gonna cry. Let's go.
Fine.
Oh yeah, go.
There's a chicken truck.
Yes, like a chicken truck. Hello.
Good morning, Michael.
Second
Hi,
day. I hope
Lucas.
he's not gonna cry.
Oh yeah, I think he'll be fine.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right,
Go
ready?
inside.
Come on.
Hey.
Come
Play
on
with
in.
your friends, okay?
Let's
with
go
classmates. Yeah.
And Lucas, come on. And there's Roland back there. Right, let's go in. Come on, Lucas. Come on, Lucas. Remember, we're gonna go hang your coat up. Come on in. We'll hang our coats up. Hi, Roland. Please go to front of the room.
Hi.
Michael, come on up. Michael, come on.
Michael, where are you? I changed his bag.
Declan, just a minute. Just a minute.
Hello. Yeah, I changed his bag because seems like the last bag he didn't wanna wear it.
Oh, he didn't. Yeah, he doesn't want to wear this one either. I don't know why. You gotta wear
You
your
don't
book
like
bag.
wear bag.
All right, big step.
Come here, Michael.
Bye, Michael. See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Thomas. Bye.
Oh, let's go na inside the car.
Bye, Thomas.
Oh,
See you
just leave
tomorrow.
the door open.
I gotta leave the door because other kids are here.
Okay.
Declan. All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Remington. Bye, Declan. Please, Daddy.
Oh.
Every day. Yep. Bye, Remington.
How was your school? How was your school, Michael? inside because the pickup truck is going too. Go inside. Oh, go, come. Go, Michael, go. Close the door. Good thing, Michael, you didn't cry today. Hoy, second day you didn't cry. Very good.
Have a good afternoon. Step down. Step down. You got your hood on? Yeah, probably a good idea. It's cold. There you go, bud.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Michael.
Bye. Hello. How are you? Let's go. Inside the car. Let's go. That's your classmate, right? Yeah, it's
See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Bye, Michael.
bye-bye. Bye-bye, your teacher. Hello. How was your school? Did you have fun with your classmates and friends? Let's go inside the car. Go inside the car. That's your classmate. Oh, go inside the car. It's cold. Yeah, no more school. Tomorrow again. No school. Yes. Tomorrow again. Oh, let's go. Get inside the car. There you go. Go inside the... Michael, what you got? That's so cool. You did that in school? Wow, what shape is that?
That's a triangle.
That's right, that's a triangle. Wow, that's so cool, Michael. You did that today. That's cool. Wow. Good job, Michael. You did it.
What's this?
That's a yarn to hang in. We're gonna hang it in the house, okay? That's your craft. Yeah. Oh, get inside na. Get inside. Go buckle up na. Let's go. Michael, today is Thursday.
In school already.
Yeah, Dion is in school. Okay? I'll go inside now. Bye-bye. See you later, Michael.
Hi, Michael.
Hello, good morning.
Come in. Thank you.
Bye-bye, Michael. See you
Okay.
later.
Take your book bag. Let's go hang it up.
Oh, come here. Put your hood. Put the pocket. Close it. There you go. Let's go. Holly Dolly Christmas. Let's go. Come here, Michael. You ready? Last day. Hi. Last day of school, Michael. It's cold. Yes. There's a dog over there.
Color white and brown.
That's right, color white and brown dog.
And this red.
That's right. Oh, go inside because we are going into the house. Oh, go buckle up, ha?
Bye, dog.
Bye-bye, dog. See you later.